Okay, how to remove a hot tub. First thing you want to do, you just remove the top and the sides. It's easier if you cut the cover in two. Now that you've done the top and sides, you want to remove the electronics. They're heavy and it's worth getting them out. So what I do, I just cut the tubes, just cut the hoses so that you can get the engine out and the heater out. The fastest way to remove the engine is with a long pry bar. Typically these hot tubs are jammed against a wall, as you can see here. Another tip I wanted to show you is you want to use blades with really big teeth. When you do a hot tub, if the teeth are really big, it's going to rip right through it. Now this other blade here, the blue one, the teeth aren't as big, so it takes longer. I use the smaller teeth for cutting metal if there's metal in the hot tub that needs cut. But if you want to save a lot of time, I use a pruning shear blade. This is a really good blade, by the way. This is let's see, a Diablo carbide tipped recip blade. Removing this filter makes it a lot easier to cut. Okay, the last step is to start taking apart the bottom. Alright, so no more tub.